everyone, in today's tutorial we'll be doing decrease stitches. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll be doing decrease stitches. So to get started, we're going to need some yarn, a crochet hook. I've already started on my project and I'm going to show you how to decrease on this project. For this project, we're going to do 5 single crochet and then decrease on the 6th stitch. Here you'll see me doing the 5 single crochet. Once you finish your single crochet, you're going to join 2 stitches together. So 1, 2, and then we're going to do this by using an invisible decrease, which means we'll be putting our crochet hook in the front loop of each of these 2 stitches, joining them together, just like so. I prefer to use the invisible decrease because they show less gap in our projects. Here I'm just speeding this up for all the single crochets and we'll go back to decreasing. So once again, we're going to join 2 stitches together with an invisible decrease, going from the front loop of this project only. Here I'm showing the front loops. Here you go. And ta-da! Continue doing this until you finish the end of the round. This is how I do my decreases. I hope this tip was useful, and please like and subscribe and join for more tutorials. Thank you!